guys, welcome to Yoni J, and today we're going to be unboxing and giving our initial review for the KobraTech phone and camera holder. So I've been looking for a cheaper version of the GorillaPod, and I saw this one and see if this is better than the other one, the name brand, better name brand, that is GorillaPod, I believe. So this is $29.99 right now in Amazon. So you get to go get, what is this? A Bluetooth automatic shutters, I believe. So it comes with the manual and a Bluetooth remote for your smartphones. Let's go see what these look like quality wise. Are you any good? Okay, so it has the camera, and then what is this one here? Don't know what it says. I can't see. Android. Oh, there is an iOS, and then this one is for the Android. So that's pretty neat. Okay, I don't know how good it is connection-wise, since I'm not planning to showcase on that feature. Right now, we're just gonna be showcasing the tripod itself. Alright. So this is what it looks like. Pretty neat, as you guys can see. Comes with these. So, ooh, I kind of like this one. It's not the screw kind. All I have to do is twist this, I guess. Yep, and then it moves. And then once you push it up, then it locks it. I like that feature. It's better than the screw kind where you gotta have to be doing it forever. And that I don't like a lot. And so there we go. So it's a screw kind, but it kind of like easier. And then there is this leveler, which is a nice addition. So it can go, if you're trying to use this, if you're vlogging like me, so if you're gonna go add the camera on that side, you can make it this way, which is good. And then you can tilt it different ways, which is nice. Oh, I don't like it. Already scratch up. Okay, so paint wise, I'm not happy. Oh, it's not. Okay, it's just a little bit of chip. It's not really a paint issue. And then you can add another mic or a light in here if you need. Alright, now let's go ahead and talk about the quality of the legs. So, the only thing that I find funny is that there is no locking mechanism in this part. So you gotta have to be careful when you open it wide like this. And then this is bendable, just like the GorillaPod. If you guys, I've never owned a GorillaPod, so there is no way for me to compare the two. I'm just looking for a cheaper value or cheaper alternative for the GorillaPod, because the one I wanted is $100, but is this worth it? Okay, if you own a GorillaPod, let me know in the comments down below if this is better or what. So again, I don't like that there is no locking in here, so it can easily fall. And then the leveler is pretty good. I can see it pretty nice. Now it's pretty level. I don't know. So there is that evenness in there. The leveler will show us if this is even or not. And now let's go ahead and test how good this is. I believe it says it can hold up to 5 pounds. 3 or 5 pounds, I'm not sure. But this is only 2 pounds. This camera, I found an old camera that I can use. So we'll see, can it hold the camera? I highly doubt that I can use this to put in a post and then see, see if I can let it hang, because I think it's not gonna hold it really good. Okay, so tightening is pretty easy. Okay, I'm making it harder. Okay, and now let's go ahead and tighten these. I like that this is big, the twisty part, the locking mechanism. Alright, now that it is done, let's go ahead and bend these. See how good it is holding this camera. Okay, so far it's holding it okay. A little bit wobbly. There we go. And now it's even. Now let's go ahead and try how good it is tilting wise. Can it tilt like that? Okay, you guys see? It's gonna fall off. So if you are planning to go get this one for the camera feature, you're not gonna like it because it's gonna fall off. And now let's go ahead and do this way. So you guys can see I'm not even tightening it yet. And it's already like going down, down, downtown for me. So that is bad. Okay. Apparently I made a bad decision because I am really planning to use these for cameras. So if you guys are planning to use this for a phone or a GoPro, then that will work. But if you are planning to use these for a DSLR camera like I am, that's not gonna work. Bummer. That's a big bummer for me. So KobraTech, are you good? No for using it the other way. If you're just holding it, these will work, but still a little bit flimsy. Bummer. Okay, so if you're just gonna hold it like this, still not the kind I want. Oh my gosh, that's bad. That's bad, y'all. Okay, and on that sad note that is not gonna work for what I wanted. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.